Alright, we're going to move up to 30 yards and see what she does. Like I said, here we go. I just love that stuff. Hard hitting stuff, I tell you what. Alright. That's what we're looking for. Money! 30-yard group. That's nice. That's it. And there's one little bare spot here, which is kind of unusual. So either I flinched a little bit, shot right, or me, but either way, that'll definitely smoke a duck, because this is where I was concentrating right here. I mean, number ones. The chair's done, but yeah, we're definitely gonna. I'm liking this patternmaster. I'm not gonna lie. I shot a couple of my other chokes and not very impressive. And Carlson's mid-range. That's not very informational, but a couple different shots. And I mean, Carlson's wasn't bad, but it was really wide open, especially towards the center. And in my pattern master, it wasn't too bad. Same shot size. I noticed a lot more were over here to the left. Could have been me, but I'm gonna stick with the Kicks High Flyer, Stroger m3000, and Kicks High Flyer medium. I'm on medium modified. That's gonna be my bird killer this year with the number ones. Get some.